Junebug, are you eating Honey Nut Cheerios? What you doing? Hey, Joy. Joy. What are you doing? Woof. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a good girl, Joy. Yes, you are. Juniper Paige. Can you say happy birthday? Can you say happy birthday? No? You're just gonna keep eating your Cheerios? Cheerios. 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 Junebug, slow down. Juniper Paige. You like Honey Nut Cheerios, huh? This is an experiment. We just got these Honey Nut Cheerios, huh? You've never had them before. Oh my goodness. I thought you loved Cheerios. But Honey Nut seems to be her favorite now. Oh my goodness. Joy! Joy. Joy. What are you doing? Joy. On my foot. On my foot. 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 I have some silly people here. And by people, I mean Sway too. Hi, Sway. Are you a people? Say, I'm a people. She really does think she's a person, though. Junebug, can you say, happy birthday, Daddy? Happy birthday, Daddy. No? Alright.